If your PC keeps running out of space and you're tired of cleaning junk files manually every single time, there's a built-in Windows feature that can handle all of that for you automatically. It's called Storage Sense, and once you turn it on, Windows quietly cleans your system in the background without touching your important files. Let me show you how to enable it in just a few simple steps. First, open your Windows settings. You can click on the Start menu and choose Settings, or simply press Windows+I on your keyboard for quick access. Once Settings is open, click on System, and then select Storage from the left-hand side. This page shows you how your storage is being used and where most of your space is going. At the top of the storage page, you'll see an option called Storage Sense. Go ahead and toggle it on. That's it. Automatic cleanup is now enabled on your PC. But don't stop there. Click on Storage Sense to customize how it works. This part is important because you're telling Windows exactly how you want it to clean your system. Here, you can choose how often Storage Sense should run. You can set it to clean daily, weekly, monthly, or only when your disk space is low. For most people, weekly or when disk space is low works perfectly. You can also decide when Windows should delete temporary files, how long items stay in the recycle bin before they're removed, and whether files in your Downloads folder should be cleaned automatically. If you keep important files in Downloads, I recommend leaving that option turned off. And if you want to clean your PC immediately, just scroll down and click Run Storage Sense now. Windows will instantly remove unnecessary files and free up space. This feature is great because it keeps your PC clean, helps improve performance, and saves you the stress of manual cleanup, all without installing any third-party software. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone whose PC is always full, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple Windows tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.